On offer is a wonderful farm which is currently being used as a camp hunting lodge. The farm consists of a main house, office, 2 rondavels, storeroom, restaurant area, 11 campsites, staff accommodation and so much more. The office space is about 40 square meters and features wireless internet. The campsites features electricity and ablution blocks with showers and toilets and a larder with a built-in bra and necessary utensils. The first rondavel is a 1-bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. The second rondavel is being used as a butchery with all necessary equipment. The farm has an enormous income potential and also boasts with the following: full electricity from Eskom, Telkom telephone lines, 3 boreholes, a bush fountain, a horse trotting area, 15 hectares of irrigated land and loads of free roaming animals such as kudu, bushbuck, warthog and jackal. If you enjoy nature and a tranquil setting, then this is the place for you.